Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do lighting on sports designs or any design in general, honestly. So usually when I do this, you have to have like a light source, not necessarily, but you have to have like a part of the design you want to be like brighter than the other. So for this demonstration, I'm probably just going to like put this here, just say like the light's coming from over here, and this is supposed to be the dark area. You can't really see it, but like there's black here. And there's white up here, so it's like dark light. So say this is the light source, and you have this PNG, right? So I have three different methods that I usually use to do lighting, and the first method, it's not the best. I usually combine some of these methods, but I'll show you them separately, and you can combine them if you want. So first one, usually selective color. I'll go into selective color, create a clipping mask, and most players, like when you're messing with the skin, it's gonna be reds. So you have reds open here, and if you turn the black down, notice how the skin starts to get like darker and brighter based off of the slider. So you can do that, and then if you want like extra darkness, just go down to like yellows. Turn that down. And you could like even go down to blacks and make blacks blacker to create like extra contrast. And then all you do is like use this layer mask and shade in where you want it to be like darker. Like if I go here, just start shading this part. Notice how it got like darker, and then if you go here, this is the difference. You can see like, oh, clearly this part's brighter than this part. So that's normally the selective color method. You can do the same thing. You turn up the whites and stuff and just like put it here so it's extra. I'll do that real quick. So you just do this. Turn the black. Oops. Keep the blacks at 0. Go to reds. Turn that up a bit. Go over here. Put it right over here where you think you'd want it. So you see, like, if you mess with this, it'll just light it up. Go to whites. Make that more intense. So yeah, that's the first method, selective color. So now we're gonna go to the second method, get rid of that. Second method is just a normal soft brush. This is probably the easiest to do. So what you're gonna do is take a soft brush. First you're gonna go close. Make it small and just go like that, wherever you want it to be darker. And then what you're gonna want to do is make it bigger. 1 second. So once I finish this part, just very rough, you turn that down a little bit, so it's like that. Then you create a new layer, create a new clipping mask, make your brush bigger. You just shade in like that. This is for more like, I guess, drastic lighting, where you do this, and then you have that. But then you can always put it on like soft light, so it'll just make it darker as well. So as you see, it makes it darker like that. And you could do the same with the whites, like I said earlier, just soft light. So there's that. And if the colors ever get too harsh, you can just like duplicate the layer, put it on color. You see how it makes it grayer, then turn down the opacity so the colors are less like harsh. Because sometimes if the skin's like really red, it can get like wicked harsh. So you just turn it down, and that'll do that. And the final method is using levels or curves. It's interchangeable. You can do whatever one you want. But over here, I'm gonna turn down the levels, make it like super dark. Then using the layer mask, I'm just gonna brush. Brush in where I want it to be darker, like that. Like I said earlier, actually a different way to do this, rather than like doing the color brushes, you could easily just go into the settings over here, and put it on luminosity, because when you put on luminosity, it doesn't mess with the color, it just like messes with the brightness. So as you can see, like how this is like dark brown, rather than like if you go to normal, it's like vibrant red. So there's that. method. You can just do clipping mask. This time I'm gonna make the whites like high because I want it to be brighter in some places. And just like do it here like that. And that's another way to do lighting. And then honestly, like fourth quick method, I guess. This isn't necessarily gonna affect like just a little part, but if you're going for an overall dark design, go to like camera raw. Just like say you go to highlights, turn on the highlights to like be darker, and the shadows up and down. Like you can do color corrections in called camera raw filter. So now it's overall darker, and then you can just light up some parts if you need to. So you can use camera raw filter to do color corrections as well. So normally it's just one of those three methods. Sometimes I combine methods if I need different types of lighting. They usually seem to work out the best. There's probably other ways to do it, but these are the three ways that I use to do lighting usually. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Just lighting methods. I know a lot of you requested this because when I asked for like questions and stuff on Instagram stories, you guys just want to see this. So yeah, here you go. I hope this helped, and hopefully I see a lot of lighting designs on Instagram.